Hello guys, now it's incline. I am inclining. I'm coming down of the temple, like mountain now. So this is how car performs in a descent place. I have pressed the brake. Handling, no word, like best handling in segment. MC VLT suspension system. They are doing a great job. So guys, this is how the car is coming down. It's in third gear and the speed is around 44, 45, and I'm not pressing anything. I'm just applying brakes when required. I'm just applying brakes, and this is how the car is coming down. The gear has been stuck for in third gear. Yeah, you can see this is the descending video of the car. We can change the gear manually. If you want the car to go in fourth gear, you can do this. So you can see the vehicle is in fourth gear now. Yeah, once I press the brake, because my vehicle speed is too high, once I press the brake, it is in fourth gear itself because speed is above 40. Now I'll give an accelerator. Yeah, so guys, this is how the car is coming down the hill. To be frank, very good steering response is there. Steering feels good. All the systems are good in this car. This is Bull Temple. It has been closed. Bull Temple has been closed now. So we'll go down, and this is the viewpoint. Now I'm accelerating the car, and the car is in second gear now. You can see I'm giving a light acceleration. It's in third gear. Speed is about 40. Guys, you if you're not concentrating on what I'm talking, just see the speed and RPM ratio. So you'll get idea like how the car will go. I'm applying brakes now because front Kerala Jazz is going really slow. I applied brakes. I'm not giving accelerator, and this is what the RPM and speed the car is maintaining while descending the hill. And guys, it will not change the gear in while going down. It won't change the gear. It's a very good thing, and all automatic cars are like this itself. If you want to change the gear, you can use the manual mode. And I'm doing accelerator now. You get instant torque. You will get instant torque in the car, and this is how the car pulls itself. So you can see how the car is handling. Wow, very good handling. It's really confidence inspiring. I'm just using one hand, so I'm not driving in a full, like I'm not driving in its full potential. But guys, it does a very pretty good job and pretty good car. This is hill descent of the car. Hill descent control is not there in automatic, but this gearbox only will work as an hill descent system. It won't upshift the gear in down. Only it downshifts whenever it requires. When the speed has been crossed, approx speed has been crossed, then it will upshift. So this is how the car. Jwala Tripura Sundari Amma temple. Yeah, I should go there. Yes. Now its normal road is there. Again, this also is mountain only. You can see from here the steep slopes will start. And kudos to Chamundeshwari Temple Authority because they have kept the forest really cool, really green. No plastic, nothing is there. The reason why Mysore is called the cleanest city because of this. You can see no plastic, nothing is there. Very much cleanly maintained city. And this is how the car is going. Now we're getting a up, what to say, up, incline, yeah, incline. Now it is incline. You can see police, Karnataka police, Tata Nexon Xenon vehicle. Yeah guys, you can see this is how the car. The person is telling me to go. I am overtaking. I overtook the car. So this is how the car handles itself in mountain and hilly region. Handling, no words for handling. I didn't press the brake there, guys. I swear I didn't press the brake. The car handled itself. You can see how very less body roll is there, but it's very minimum. You can toggle the car. No big issues in those things. Yeah, you can see how beautiful the car is going. And these guys are not leaving me the space to go. it's fine. I'm just driving the car in single hand, so it's fine. Let them only go. I'll go behind them itself. You can see how the car is in third gear. Frequently the car is in third and fourth, guys. When the car is coming in downhill, it's around third and fourth gear. Now I'll go take this, guys, and we'll go. Now vehicle is in fourth gear. You can see they are very narrow road, and these curves are like more than airpin curves. They are like that. We will not get to know who is coming opposite direction. Swift is coming there, so maintaining a good pace is required here. So that is the Mysore city, guys. You can see the city there. Mysore city view. Nothing you can see.